Hello everyone, so this is the third video that we want to share in the solution to get over the MAZDA Tribute 2006 or first generation tailgate stuck. And now we already come to the point that we find the mechanism and the actuator and identify the problem. Ignore this one first. We are talking about the mechanism at this position of right angle view. So you see that this rod will have to get the lock down here, and when you unlock from the outside lever, this rod will go down, and to open it from the inside, when it's fully stuck, you actually pull this one on the side to this side. And I must mount this one here because leave it for the owner when he pull the finger. Don't need the screwdriver, just pull it on the right side. At the same time, put this one upward and it will unlock from the inside at this moment. So the actuator looks like this. Okay, that is the actuator, and we already test, and it definitely doesn't respond to the electric central locking system and remote central locking system. So this one needs to be replaced, and you can simply find someone else or do it yourself, buy the right part and replace this one. It should work again. And this one is just for temporary now, so the owner can drive and lock, and then want to unlock from the inside, simply go to the back of the car inside, pull this one to the right and leave this one to upward this direction, and it open from inside. He will be happy for a short time before he get replacement. And I'm sure that with those video, it would have any of you who have the stuck tailgate on the MAZDA Tribute first generation, which go from 2001 to 2007, get this one out safely and completely, and you get it sorted. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.